of Mercedes, a 2000 Mercedes CL500. First procedure, how to do it. The first step, you remove the cup holder. Just comes up. Okay. You pop this section right here, the plug compartment. Gently pull this cover, and on this corner, these two corners, you'll see two little clips right here. You pull this up, this corner, pull it up. Once you pull this out, there's two screws on this corner, one on this corner, one screw on this corner. Okay, two screws. Okay, next step, you get it flat. Okay, you might want to use a cloth so you don't scratch the wood. Come here, put it here, and then you pop this out. Pop it out, go like this. Okay, and this corner right here, for the stick shift, you turn it to the right, and then you just slowly you pull it. It'll come up. There you go. And then you just put it here. Okay, and this just slides out. Disconnect this plug side. Okay, and then there's two screws on the ashtray. There's one screw over here and one screw over here. One, two. Okay. Okay, you wanna, let's see, okay. Move the ashtray. Okay. You wanna move this back a little bit, stick shift, and jiggle the ashtray. You might use a little bit of force to jiggle it out. Okay, pull it out, disconnect the two plugs. There's one plug over here, and there's the other plug over here. It's two. And also there's two more screws inside, okay? Two more screws. There's one here, one here. Pull it out, okay? Put this into parking. And you remove the side covers, the flat screwdriver, side here and on this side. And there should be two screws on the upper corner in this corner. There's two screws, one here and one on this corner. Okay, two screws. Okay, two screws, one here and one over there. Now you come over here, you move it back, you lift this piece. Okay, this, and easily it will come down. You might need another person to help you because this is a little bit heavy. Pull it out, it will come out like this. And that's the procedure to take it out. Get it back. Make sure when you unplug it, you have the code number, because you're going to need the code to turn it on the bench, or if someone's going to repair for you, or you plug it back in. And this is it. Just remove, unplug all these plugs, take it outside, and remove whatever you need to remove, or whatever you need to install. Okay. And to install it back, just do the opposite. Once you have everything plugged in, you turn it. And you just do the same procedure. Okay, same procedure, and it should go everything on its place. And that's the way to remove the 500, the CL500 Mercedes 2000.